Carmel. It's a place we like to call home. A thriving ecosystem filled with beautiful habitats and creatures. But something's not right.
On average, every U.S. home will hear this dreadful noise at least twice in the upcoming year.
However, there are ways that we can help these birds. By purchasing low-cost but effective bird tape, sound-stop windows, and unreflective curtains from the American Bird Conservancy or the National Audubon Society, we can help these birds see glass. We can also donate money to non-profit organizations to support bird-saving programs.
See how you can become part of the solution today.
Click the link in the top right corner to donate to organizations such as the National Audubon Society or the American Bird Conservancy.